What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. All right, I'm about to eat these. And why am I wearing a sweatshirt? It's not even a sweatshirt. It's like a cotton long sleeve shirt. Whew. Okay, we have another day of crappy weather here. It's been raining on and off. It is cool, then it feels muggy, then it's just all over the place. So I have leggings and this on. If you follow me on Instagram, go check out the outfit. I just posted a full body shot. But now that I'm outside, I'm kind of feeling hot. Inside the house, I was freezing. I can't win. So I'm gonna have my cinnamon sugar sticks right now. Gotta go pick up Brittany from work. Forgot my bottle of water, so I'll be sure to get one of those on the way. Or on the way back. And then I have to go to Marshall's to return something. And then I'm gonna see, of course, what else is new. If they have anything new. My God, I have like a shopping addiction lately. I just love to shop. I guess if that's my only vice, I can't be held responsible. Tomorrow evening after work, I'm getting the haircut. I'm going here. I'm getting all this bits cut off. It's gonna be cute. Nice little bob. I'm so excited. I have been wanting to do that for so long, but I chicken out every time, and I always kind of stay, you know, there. But it's like, looking at my hair, this doesn't make any sense to me. It just doesn't. So, you know, and I want it blunt. I want it straight on the ends. I want it to look polished, but like beachy. You know what I mean? Same kind of setup here, but just shorter. Right there. I think it's going to look cute. And I'm excited. If you want to see the haircut, my stylist has no problem with me bringing the camera in. Let me know. And I'll bring you along with me tomorrow night. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm doing it. I did like a neutral eye today. Just kind of in the mood for neutrals. What do you guys think about it? There's like some like light brown, a little bit of gold. Come on, cars. New Jersey drivers are the worst. Except me. But neutral makeup, I don't wear it too often. I want to talk to you about the name change of my Optavia group on Facebook. I'm getting a ton of questions. I mean, what's wrong with changing the name? There are some reasons why that were unforeseen. Not a big deal. But truth be told, I like keeping it healthy with Felicia Nurse much better, because that's what the whole thing is about, right? We all know we're on Optavia. We all know that we eat the foods and the fuelings and we lose weight and things like that. But the bottom line about any plan that you do is to get healthy. And part of getting healthy in all aspects is doing a lot of work up here. I mean, you could go work out and drink your water and take your vitamins and stuff like I say. But if you don't fix what's up here, you're never going to be healthy. Your mind and body are connected. So while you're toting around fuelings and doing everything you can, sometimes we have setbacks. Sometimes we go off program. But we always seem to have a common denominator with that. We always seem to say, well, I'll just jump right back on plan. Or it's so hard when there's an event. Or, you know, something of that nature. What I encourage you all to do, if you're one of those people that simply just make those excuses, and I have been many times that person, we got to fix up here. All right? We have to stop doing that. We have to stop saying, it's hard when I go to a party. So I went off plan, and here I come again on Monday. That famous I'm going to start again on Monday. How many of us, or I should say how many of you, have been that person? You know, and part of fixing the head piece that I was saying is getting out of that habit. That's a habit. It's an excuse. We all know that if we're committed to a program and getting healthy and losing weight, we are going to transition off of it. We are going to be allowed, or we are going to be able to go to a barbecue or a wedding or whatever, a weekend away with the girls, your husband, wife, whatever. And you are going to be able to someday have that glass of wine or have that cookie or barbecue or whatever. But right now, while you are eating fuelings and trying very hard to be that committed person, it's really just a matter of thought process. You know in your head when you're reaching for something bad. I mean, I can't tell you how many messages I get about this. Why am I doing this? What is going on? I just need to stay focused. It's just a choice. That's it. That's all it is. It's a choice. So for instance, when I got in my truck, I made the choice to put my seatbelt on. Do I foresee myself getting into an accident and actually needing the seatbelt? No. But I make the choice because in the event it happens, I'm protected. When you're at a barbecue and you see someone eating, let's say, a bowl of fruit salad, not so bad, but it's not on plan. Well, on the 5-in-1, I should say. Let me clarify that. If you decide to have that bowl of fruit, you know that you're not supposed to, but you're making the decision. So there is thought behind it. When people say mindless eating, what in the world is that? You know at that moment, even bingers know, you know you're eating something that's not right, and the guilt sets in, and that sense of not being in control, and then you get upset with yourself and you're a failure and all those things. Go back to that one moment where you had the decision. When you get up in the morning and you brush your teeth, it's pretty automatic as an adult. You know, you're raised to do it, and you've done it every single day, every night before bed, hopefully, you know, a couple times a day, brush your teeth. But it's like automatic, but you still think about it. When you go into that bathroom in the morning, you have to open up your medicine cabinet, take out your toothbrush. Like, it's a process. You don't just walk into the bathroom and say, well, I'm on vacation, I'm not in my normal bathroom, I'm not going to brush my teeth. Who does that? Nobody, I hope. And what do you do when you go on vacation? You bring your toothbrush and you bring your toothpaste, and you are prepared, committed to brushing your teeth while on vacation. Okay? So try to look at things in your daily life that you make decisions about. You make decisions to pay your bills on time. You make decisions to put gas in your vehicle. You make a decision to get dressed, brush your hair, brush your teeth, take a shower. Those are all decisions. Maybe you don't feel like taking a shower, so you don't. But would you go, if you didn't take a shower, would you be so depressed that you would say, screw it now, I'm not going to take a shower for 10 days. That's just, nope, I'll wait till next Monday. No, we don't do those things. So why do we do it when we're trying to lose weight? And I think I know the answer. The answer, in my opinion, is it's a habit. You're not fully committed. It's a habit to say and make an excuse, but it takes someone very powerful and very dedicated and committed to stick to plan. It's not hard. It's a choice. That's all it is. So are you going to be the person to make that choice, to fix that head, to fix yourself, and to be committed, and to finally reach your goal so you don't have to be in this cycle? You know, it's a horrible thing to be in a cycle, a continuous up and down, up and down, up and down, when you know that your choices will get you there. You just have to make the right choice. I've been doing a lot of thinking about this, because if there's one thing that I get messaged about literally daily, probably at least 20, 30 times a day I get messages from people. Why can't I stick to this? What is wrong with me? Why can't I get my head in the game? And I think that's the answer. It's you. You're not making the right choice. You have to be an adult. You signed up, you paid the money, just do it. I hope you all have a great day, and remember, we can do this. Yes, we can. Yes, you can. As long as we do it together, man. Stick to program. Reach out if you need help. I am a health coach. I do have a group on Facebook called Keeping It Healthy with Felicia Nurse. Feel free to join, and I'll see you on my next video. I love you guys. Stay focused. Bye-bye.